In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blurry video clear in CapCut. Whether it's a precious memory or an important project, having a blurry video can be frustrating. Luckily, CapCut offers some powerful tools that can help sharpen your footage and bring out the details you thought were lost. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to import your video, enhance its quality, and export it as a crisp, clear final product. And if you're new to CapCut, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in and fix that blurry video. First, open CapCut on your computer or mobile device. Once it's open, you'll need to import the blurry video file that you want to fix. This ensures that the video is available for editing. You can do this by dragging the video file directly onto the timeline, or if you prefer, you can use the import menu to locate and add the file. Either method works, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Now that your video is imported, the next step is to select the clip you want to enhance. Simply click on the video clip in the timeline. This highlights the footage and lets CapCut know which part of your project you want to focus on. Once the clip is selected, we can move on to the enhancement tools. Next, locate the enhancement tools in CapCut. If you're using the desktop version, you'll find these tools on the right-hand panel under the Video tab. Scroll down until you see options like Enhance Quality or Image Enhancement. On the mobile app, you'll want to check under the Adjust button or look within the Smart Tools section. Now, if you don't see these tools right away, don't worry. They might be tucked away in additional menus, so take a moment to explore if needed. Once you've found the enhancement tools, it's time to apply the desired level of enhancement. Here, you can choose from options like HD or UHD. HD is a great all-purpose option that provides reliable improvement for most videos, while UHD offers an even sharper upgrade, perfect for heavily blurred footage. Select the setting that best suits your needs, and let CapCut's AI take it from there. The AI will analyze each frame of your video, sharpening edges and reconstructing lost details. Keep in mind, this process may take a little time, especially for longer videos or higher quality settings. So be patient as the system works its magic. Once the AI has finished processing, take a moment to review the preview of your enhanced video. This is your chance to ensure that the footage looks clearer and more detailed to your liking. If everything looks good, the final step is to export the video. If you're using CapCut Pro, simply click the export button and save the video to your device. If you're using the free version of CapCut and don't see the same export options, consider upgrading to Pro to unlock higher quality exports. Exporting saves the enhanced video, making it ready for sharing, posting, or further use in your projects. And that's it. You've successfully transformed your blurry video into a crisp and clear masterpiece using CapCut. So now you know exactly how to enhance video quality step by step. If you have any questions or video topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.